You've probably heard the phrase location, 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 right? It's one of the oldest rules in real estate, and for a good reason. It's the one thing about a home you can't change. So aside from the obvious reasons, why is considering location so important when buying a home? I'm Melissa.Rioux with eXp Realty. Today, I'm breaking down why choosing the right location is just as important as finding the perfect house. First off, when it comes to buying a home, the location can have a big impact on three things: lifestyle, home value, and long-term happiness. Think about your daily routine. Is a neighborhood close to schools, work, shopping, or parks? The right location makes life easier and your lifestyle more enjoyable. A great location helps protect your home's value over time. Even if the house needs updates, the right neighborhood will keep its appeal to future buyers. And most important, your long-term happiness. The home you love might not feel as perfect if it's in an area that doesn't suit your needs. That's why location should match your priorities and lifestyle. Does the area have everything you need? Schools, grocery stores, restaurants, and entertainment can all make a huge difference in your day-to-day life. What about commute times? A shorter commute can save you time, money, and stress. Also, do you feel a sense of community and safety? These are important factors to consider. So how do you find the perfect location? It starts with knowing what matters to you most. And that's where I come in. My job is to help you balance your dream home with the ideal location and affordability to ensure you're making the best investment for your lifestyle and future. So if you're ready to start your search, let's find the perfect location for you and your family. Reach out to me and let's make it happen. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share. I'm Melissa.Rioux with eXp Realty, your Southern Maine Coastal Realtor.